These cascades lead to a waterfall. And there it is. This type of waterfall is known as a horsetail fall. It has some similarity to a plunge waterfall, but this is the difference. With a plunge waterfall, the falls lose all contact with the bedrock that makes up the cliff face. This particular waterfall, however, it maintains a little bit of contact with the cliff face. You see? A little bit of contact with the cliff face. Waterfalls are part of rivers and streams. Whenever a river comes to a part of the course where the elevation changes sharply, you have a sharp change in the gradient, and in this case, a cliff, the water basically falls off of that cliff, and hence the term waterfall. This being a horsetail waterfall, having some contact with the bedrock that is part of the cliff. I recommend getting out into nature, hiking, exploring, seeing what's around you. A lot of things you can learn from it. If you like this video, go check out other videos on this channel. And as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.